Connect in Cloud. Um, we had some wonderful experience with them. They're our provider to our telephone system, and we had a very seamless, superb support from them. Whenever we needed them, they always there. They're one phone call away. Whenever we needed a support, either on site or remote, they always come, and basically just one phone call away. Overall, we're very happy with the services. They provided us with multi-site integration, combining different telephone system for different vendors. They also helped us connect our telephone system with third-party application, and it's like a seamless experience. Overall, we're very happy with the service, and I'll be very happy to recommend them. So thank you guys.